Hi guys, it's Nurse Williams. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to pass nursing school. So I want you to stay tuned to this video. We're going to unpack a lot of misconceptions, a lot of things that nursing students go through. We're going to talk about it. Hey, so if you are dreading nursing school, if you are overwhelmed by the amount of information that you need to know in such a short period of time, this video is for you. I'm going to unpack all of the strategies that you need to successfully pass nursing school and those nursing exams, okay? So the first thing you need to do is understand the challenges of nursing school, the time constraints and workload. You need to know and have to be understanding that you can't just put nursing school on the back burner, that it is very time consuming. You have to understand your priorities at home. You have to understand your priorities in nursing school. You have to make those things work. Also understanding the demanding nature of the school curriculum. So nursing is so vast now. It is forever changing. So you need to understand the challenges around having to know so much content. Now, we're forever learning in nursing school, as nurses in the nurse profession, but our base knowledge starts in nursing school when it comes to books and, learning the lecture type. That actually starts in nursing school. So you have to understand that as well. Understanding the high stakes and the pressure to perform. People assume that you should know certain things because you're in nursing school, and they don't understand that you're still learning. So that puts a lot of pressure on you. And when you don't, when you're not up to their standards, it does make you feel overwhelmed and beat down and tired and depressed and all those things like that. So now that we understand the challenges, y'all, we're going to develop strategies, effective strategies. So what do I mean? Active recall. So when you're in nursing school and you're learning, you're getting your lectures, and now you're at home and you're trying to figure out how to study. Flashcards, repetitive repetition. What I mean by that is start to write down what you remember from school. Start to write down what you can remember, off the top of your head without opening your books and your notes. That's going to help you, and then you actually know a lot more than you think you know. Also, practice questions. Always do practice questions. I don't care if you are, a straight A student. Always do practice questions. There are always going to be questions on the NCLEX that you have not seen in nursing school. Trust me. Now that you have developed your strategies, effective strategies, let's work on mastering exam taking tools. So the thing about exams, they can be so stressful. Time management. Don't rush on your exams. Take your time. As long as you're in that time frame that they're giving you for the exam, use all of that time. Don't rush and try to, beat somebody else and try to finish first. Take your time. Slow down. Think. Critical think. And you actually know a lot more than you think you know once you slow down. Being calm, not being stressed before the test, take deep breaths, reading comprehension. Always know that there is going to be one key word or words in each question that you have to pull out that's going to point you to your answer. If you don't, you will read all over that question and end up picking the one that looks right, but it's not the most right. So just time management, reading comprehension, make sure you read your questions and staying calm, y'all. Breathe. You got this. Utilizing your available resources. Understand that your professors, your nursing director, they're all there to help you, find information that you don't have the answers to, online learning platforms like this one. Okay. And then also nursing school support services that they have. I know each school should have one. I'm not sure where you can find that at, but that is good to know your available resources. So when you do start nursing school, or if you're in nursing school now, ask your teacher, ask your professor or your director, what kind of nursing services are available to me if I have, questions. So these are some of the effective tips that I used in nursing school, y'all, and it actually helped. Remember, this is what you want. This is your passion. Remember your why. Remember why you signed up to be a nurse. Remember why you signed up to help people, and let that be the reason you be successful. Let that push you into your purpose, into your calling. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos. This has been Nurse Williams. Y'all have a great day.